Hi, hello, and welcome to the first day of my vlog. Actually, I'm very sorry it has been it's evening and I haven't done it all day, and it's my first day. Can you imagine? But I've had a really busy day. I had a couple of meetings in the morning and I couldn't do anything. I had a late night. Also, I have been writing something. Actually, I've not been writing, but I've been converting something that I've already written into. We had to change the scenario, the setting of the country of origin had to change of the whole script. So I worked on that the whole day. Here's the script, just by the way, and yeah, it's an interesting script. It's my favorite genre. It's thriller, supernatural thriller actually. I love that sort of genre. And one second, I'm just gonna. Yeah, actually, I've apart from my meetings, I was home all day writing, like I told you. A lot of interesting things have happened, which I will tell you about in the course of the day. And yeah, let me. I'm also going to meet a very good friend of mine, very interesting person. He's a talk show host, and he comes on TV. He's also used to be a film journalist. Actually, he still is a film journalist technically. Very interesting character. Meeting him for a meeting. With him, I'm meeting an actor who is he's done many small roles in big films. And hello, bro, where are we meeting? You WhatsApp me? I didn't get your WhatsApp. You guys already there? Chal, I'll be leaving in 10 minutes. ठीक है? Chal, see you. So yes, we are meeting at this new place. Not a new place, but a place that my friend recommended. It's called the Taj Tea House. I think I've been there once, long back for breakfast. It's a nice place. So come, let's go. Hi. So I just had a quick shower. I'm super late. The Uber has gone the wrong way. I'm waiting for it. My friend Devansh, who I'm going to meet, especially does not like me being late. He's always telling me about how he always tells me that itne baje aaja because he knows I'm late. I'm just going to wait for the Uber and I'll probably tell you what we're doing there. See you there. So surprisingly, I'm in the Uber right now, and there's not much traffic on the road, which is quite shocking for almost 7 o'clock in Bangalore. If I can show you. Check this out, guys. I just met somebody, and check this out. See this? See this?
Oh God.
See this? See this?
Is he the same guy?
Is he the same guy? You decide, yeah? Am I? And look at this, what it says. So my friend Prashant.
Hi guys.
He had a very nice role. He's had a nice role in actually many films, but Neerja is the last film. If you do not remember him from Neerja, go on Hotstar right now and view it. And this is my other mad friend, Devansh Patel. You must. I, by the way, already introduced him before coming here. He is the guy who with the talk show, the mad guy. I've been telling him to come in front of the camera like this for a while, but he hasn't, and he's absolutely crazy. And coming back to Prashant,
So yeah, please do watch Ninja. And the guy in the poster and the guy in front of you is the same person.
and it says he is here, which I am trying to believe now. And this is the third time I'm meeting him, and I believe that he has arrived, and now he will soon, if
He's in Ninja.
if here he is in Nirja,
Yes.
and here he is
Irada.
in Irada, which released last year as well. And if Stardust, a magazine like Stardust says it, he is here. He is here.
Pick up
guys.
your copy today and I'll send you a signed
Please do.
Yeah.
And pick up a copy, write to him on social media. He's there on Twitter, Facebook, everywhere, and he will send you a signed copy.
You got it. It's a promise. To all the viewers of Rahul Nanda, much love from me and hope to see you guys soon.
And this is my other mad friend, like he's coming back. He's a camera hog.
I only
actually.
talk when I get paid.
Okay, so on that we're going to cut it. So I'm having some Parsi mint tea. Again, you would not like to know who's recommended it.
Desperately.
This madman, as usual. So it's apparently some basil Parsi tea, which I'm going to try. And it looks mind blowing. It smells even more mind blowing. So I don't know why, but my friends want to do an impromptu photo shoot on the road right now, and I don't know why they want to do something like this. Check that out. These sea cups are brought to you by our one and only Devansh Patel.
Thank you very much.
You should come and eat at his pad. His pad is quite awesome. I will show you his pad in some time. Believe me, you've never seen a pad like this. Especially if you're a filmy Hollywood or Bollywood or international cinema और सब है इसके घर के अंदर खाना भी. So as you know, I'm in a friend's house right now, and this is all the Mantis, Mr. Bachchan. Check that out in all his phases. That's Toy Story 3. That's The Dark Knight. Okay, like I told you guys before, the guy I'm meeting is the quirkiest person in the world. He is, we all know, I'll show you, you met him today. So, but I'm just going to take you through his house. I'm in his house and he is crazy, believe me. Like I just showed you Mr. Bachchan, and let me show you this. Okay, this is Rocky. Like you can actually see the last scene happening over here. Okay, there's Spider-Man jumping off this place. Oh man, there's, we all know who that is. And then there's Iron Man. Now this is my favorite, Wolverine. Boss, just check that baby out. And if you're like me, you will love this one, Sherlock, one of my favorite series, although I'm very disappointed with the new season. And this is Batman breaking through a piece of glass. Has come down. Oh, Deadpool. Rocky again. Oh, here is the man. I'll be back. This is a caricature of Devansh Patel, and I, even if you said, if I'm at a party and someone said Devansh Patel, this is how I imagine him. His hair is always so much in place, just by the way, for all of you guys. Okay. Here's my favorite. I've never seen Game of Thrones, by the way, guys. I've tried to see season 1, but I couldn't. As in, I went through a few episodes, and I'm the sort who watches series, you know, especially with the जब तक खत्म नहीं होता ना, I don't like to watch it. So yeah, that's how I am. But let me see. I'll show you this. These are the eggs. This is the throne. I don't know the name of this character, but I know it's really famous. Please tell me the name of this character. Oh yeah, here's all the Bollywood stuff. So there's the book with Nargis Dutt and Sunil Dutt. There's the thing with Dev Anand. That's, by the way, he's Devan just told me it's signed by Devji himself. There's 2 States by Chetan Bhagat, who I think is one of the, which I feel is one of the worst writers in India. But
it's signed by Alia and Arjun.
Oh, it's signed by Alia and Arjun. That's quite cool. And then there's the Rocky series.
Yes, very important.
And then that Devansh's favorite, The Godfather. Yeah, with a little bit of a poster himself. And soon here there's Devansh with me. Here he
Hello.
is. Yeah.
A very good friend, colleague,
Yeah.
younger
Soon,
brother.
soon we'll be doing an unboxing of something that he's never shown any of his people. He's, by the way, one of the biggest talk shows hosts in India right now. Hey guys, I'm with Devansh as usual. Today has been the whole day spent with Devansh, and we are going to show you. We're not going to unbox something like I told you, but we're going to show you a couple of things that he is it's very popular films that I'm going to show you about, and he's going to show us some action figures that he's going to put on these mantles, but he hasn't till now. Okay.
So this is exclusive, guys.
So this is Devansh Patel as usual.
Do not go inside my
Close. Yeah. So this is
Now these are the two exclusive figures I'm showing, which was also called the Mercury Man, if I'm not mistaken.
correct. Yes.
And let's unveil him first. We'll go with T1000, and you will see in the proper light. This is much more of a better light, where the most iconic scene.
Look at that,
is
guys.
here. Look at
There's
this.
a
That's
split head.
split head.
scene, and this is the end scene. This one
Whoa, this is epic.
with a thing in his head. Wow.
And it's got the the
So hey guys, I'm back. I ran out of memory about what Devansh was trying to say about the second thing, and that's what happens when you're just testing your action camera. But he will get back. He told me about it next time, and I've just got my new memory card, and this one is not going to run out. But it was such a fun day, tiring meetings, this, that. I swear tomorrow I will come back earlier in terms of my vlogging. I hope you guys have had a good day, and before signing off, I'll come back once more around maybe. Otherwise, bye bye. Take care. Please come back, share this video, and like it, and subscribe my channel. I'm gonna try to keep coming back with great content. I hope you like this. Bye bye. Take care, and always believe in yourself. Take care.